Welcome to solverfy.
Question number 42 details a scenario where a satellite is beaming microwave radiation with a given power towards the Earth's surface, and the beam strikes the Earth with a beam spread of where the diameter is 1,500 meters, and we want to find the RMS electric field strength, so ERMS, of that beam. So to get the RMS electric field strength, we can first calculate the average intensity, which is defined as the average power over area. I probably should have put the little hat there. And there is a relationship using equation 22-8 that directly relates it to the electric field. However, we want the RMS field strength, so we're going to replace E naught with square root 2 times E RMS, which leaves us with the 2's canceling out and just having epsilon naught times C times E, E RMS squared. And rearranging gives us that E RMS is going to be equal to the power divided by the area times the speed of light and the permittivity of free space. And just as a check, we have a power. We can calculate an area based on the beam diameter, and the rest are constants. So ERMS, then by plugging it into the calculator, you get 1.665 volts per meter. I guess really you should write 1.7 to get us down to two significant digits.